Hey guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best rice cooker. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the rice cookers in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best rice cookers on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Oster DiamondForce 6-cup rice cooker. Perfect white rice is nearly paradoxical in that it is toothsome, but not chewy, wet but not mushy. It's challenging to make the ideal fluffy rice, but the excellent output for this Oster rice cooker's $25 pricing is very astounding. No, the rice isn't flawless. In particular, the brown rice turned out a little chewy and just a little underdone. Having said that, this inexpensive rice cooker is far superior to other tiny cookers priced under $50. It comes with a steamer basket, a tempered glass cover with a vent, and won't take up much counter space. The Oster cooks grains quickly and has another application. A cup of white rice was ready in under 20 minutes, and a cup of brown rice in 25 minutes thanks to the little rice cooker. Cleaning up was also made easier because there were no spills or messes like there were with some of the other basic low-cost rice cooker options. If you love rice and want to eat great rice regularly but don't want to break the bank, the Oster is a fantastic option. Number 9. Aroma Arc 914 Solomon Islands dollars digital rice cooker. Despite being inexpensive, we discovered that the Aroma rice cooker performed quite well. It did a great job of cooking the white rice, resulting in fluffy, delicate, and distinct grains of rice. The brown rice, on the other hand, was a little bit overcooked and overly soft, and some starchy water was seeping out of the steam vent. To prevent water from pouring out of the vent in soft rice, we advise using less water when cooking brown rice. A measuring cup, rice paddle, and steamer basket are included with the cooker. The inner pot's markings can be challenging to read due to its interior's dark color, but on the good side, it is dishwasher safe. This rice cooker can cook 4 cups of uncooked rice, which can serve up to 8 people, in addition to being simple to use, having accessories included, and being reasonably priced. Coming at number 8, Dash Mini Rice Cooker. For those who are just starting out, the Dash Mini Rice Cooker is a good choice. It fits nicely in compact settings like apartments or dorm rooms. You can have rice anywhere with an 8.5 inches circumference and 6.5 inches height. White rice took 35 minutes to cook. However, because the water level was a little bit too high, the rice was clumpy and sticky. With less water, the rice would have been fluffy and soft. The brown rice, on the other hand, took 55 minutes to prepare and was fluffy, soft, and had a thin coating of crispy rice at the bottom. However, this is a no-brainer for college students who want to cook in their dorm or small apartment due to its small size and 2-cup capacity. Coming at number 7, Zojirushi Induction Heating System Rice Cooker. The IH label may have shown while you are looking for a rice cooker. This sticker explains that the cooker uses induction technology, which uses a magnetic field to heat the internal pan. Induction rice cookers like this Zojirushi turn the entire inner pan into a heat source, unlike electric rice cookers that just heat from the bottom coil, ensuring evenly cooked rice. Additionally, this model includes a rice scoop holder that fits snugly onto the side of the rice cooker. They specify the precise amount of water needed to cook each type of rice, including brown rice, quinoa, and jasmine rice, and they match the rice cup. The Induction Heating System Rice Cooker and Warmer uses high-tech induction heating technology to heat the inner cooking pan. This unique heating technique enables the rice cooker to cook rice to perfection by allowing for accurate temperature adjustments. Although the rice produced by this Zojirushi rice cooker was likewise tasty, it wasn't quite as good as that produced by the Neuro Fuzzy or the Tiger JKTD10U. However, it does offer induction heating, making it a decent choice if you want a rice cooker with that technology. Additionally, induction rice cookers are substantially more expensive than conventional electric ones due to their cutting-edge technology. However, However, I'm persuaded that the price is reasonable given the caliber of the rice I've produced with its induction. Number 6. Cuckoo CR 655 Fahrenheit Rice Cooker. While not quite at the same level as the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy or Tiger JKTD10U, the Cuckoo CR 655 Fahrenheit rice cooker produced rice that was delicious and of a similar quality to other rice cookers we tested that were double its price. If you don't need the best of the best, this Cuckoo rice cooker provides the perfect balance of price, ease of use, and quality rice. The Cuckoo CR 655 Fahrenheit produced far better rice in our rice testing than the low-cost choices and other mid-range cookers we evaluated. The Tiger JAXT10UK and the Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker were its main rivals. Similar results were found between the Tiger and the CR 655 Fahrenheit, particularly in the rice testing. However, the Tiger JAXT10UK is more than twice as expensive. The Hamilton Beach, on the other hand, is only $60, but it couldn't quite match the Cuckoo's quality. However, if you want to save even more money, it's a good buy. The Cuckoo rice cooker lacks a handle, which is the one thing we'd really want to see. The majority of the other rice cookers we tested had one, making them much simpler to put in and take out of storage. However, aside from that minor flaw, there isn't much to dislike about the CR 655 Fahrenheit. It's easy to operate, makes great rice, and stands out on the counter thanks to its bright red color. The Cuckoo CR 655 Fahrenheit is unquestionably the rice cooker to purchase if you're looking for a good but not exceptional rice cooker for under $100. Coming in at number 5, Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker and Food Steamer. The Cuckoo CR 655 Fahrenheit defeated the Hamilton Beach Rice Cooker, which nearly made our list of favorites. The $60 Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker is a great alternative if the Cuckoo is still a little out of your price range. The Cuckoo CR 655 Fahrenheit is the only other rice cooker in its price range that cooks rice as well as this one does. It has the same features as more expensive appliances like Quick Cook and Keep Warm. The rice quality is definitely lower than the CR 655 Fahrenheit, but it's still good and will work for people who only eat rice occasionally. Coming at number 4, Zojirushi 3-Cup Rice Cooker. Because of its straightforward design, this rice cooker is perfect for novices. Users only need to wash and drain the rice, add appropriate water, then press a button to start the rice cooking. White rice takes only 21 minutes and brown rice takes 38 minutes to prepare. There was a small layer of crispy rice on the brown rice, but it was barely perceptible. This rice cooker's 3-cup capacity and 9 inches diameter footprint make it perfect for households with up to 6 occupants. The design is unaffected despite being simpler and more compact than our winner. Rice can be scooped up with ease, and the pot is still simple to remove from the body. A steamer basket is included with this rice cooker, making it simple and quick to prepare a full meal. Number 3, Tiger Micom 5.5 Cup Rice Cooker. The Micom rice cooker won the rice cooker kitchen appliance competition by combining speed, accuracy, use, and affordability. In just 21 minutes, the Tiger cooked white rice well, if not just slightly al dente, and took half as long as some of the other, larger appliances. In about 50 minutes, it produced the best brown rice of all the cookers we tried. Additionally, this model comes in at a fairly affordable $79, which feels like a steal given how well it performed in both cooking tests. White rice, brown rice, slow cook, steam, and a synchronized cook setting that enables you to cook 2 things at once are the only settings. It also has very basic controls. A recipe book, measuring cup, rice paddle, and instruction manual are included with this rice cooker. This model performs admirably and has a great appearance. This is the best rice cooker to purchase if you need delicious rice in a hurry. Coming at number 2, Zojirushi Micom Rice Cooker and Warmer NSTSC10A. Do you regularly consume a lot of rice? The Zojirushi NSTSC10 Micom Rice Cooker might be a suitable option for you if flavor and texture are highly important to you. 2 to 10 cups of fluffy cooked rice can be made in this Zojirushi Micom Fuzzy Logic Rice Cooker. It can accommodate 5.5 cups of uncooked rice, which is enough for a family of roughly 5 people. A maximum of 5.5 cups of uncooked rice can be cooked in the Zojirushi NSTSC10 rice cooker. It can automatically adjust the cooking temperature to the type of rice it is cooking thanks to Micom micro computer technology. Plus, it keeps the rice warm without allowing it to dry out and has an automatic, extended keep warm cycle in addition to a reheating function. Although the Zojirushi cooker has a computer chip in it just like the Neuro Fuzzy, but it didn't make the same quality of rice. It's a solid rice cooker, but we think the Neuro Fuzzy outshines it in nearly every way. For $30 more, we think our best overall pick is the way to go. Number 1. Zojirushi 5/2 Cup Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer. Elite users of rice cookers know Zojirushi by name, and this Japanese rice cooker company has a solid reputation. The $172 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker offers accurate settings for brown rice, sushi rice, porridge, and other grains in addition to producing perfect rice in respectably large quantities and allowing you to customize your rice if you prefer it drier or moister. A few drawbacks of this Zojirushi rice cooker include: it has a hefty price tag, occupies a sizable amount of room, and produces rice slowly. However, the ability of a rice cooker to keep rice warm and perfectly fluffy for extended periods of time is often more important than the appliance's raw speed, and Zojirushi is an unrivaled rice maker in that regard. Zojirushi is our suggestion if you're looking for the best custom rice, regardless of cost. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best rice cookers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.